Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow only your contacts to call you on Telegram. If you want to keep your Telegram calls private and limit them to just the people you know, this quick and easy guide will walk you through the steps. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots icon at the top right of your screen and tap on it. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the settings related to your privacy, including who can call you on Telegram. Now, tap on Calls. Here, you can control who is allowed to contact you via calls on Telegram. By default, Telegram may allow anyone to call you, but we want to change that. Under the Who Can Call Me section, you'll see a few options. To make sure that only people in your contacts list can call you, select the My Contacts option. This will block anyone who is not saved in your contacts from calling you. Finally, don't forget to confirm your choice. Tap the check icon at the top right corner to save your settings. And that's it. Now only your contacts can call you on Telegram, keeping your calls more secure and private. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.